Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix direct messages on TikTok if they are not showing or working. There's a couple of different things you can do to try to fix this problem, so let's go ahead and get started. First, open up TikTok and then go to the inbox in the bottom right corner. From here, you want to click on the icon in the top right. So as you can see, there's a couple things I can do to add a new chat. I can go ahead and search or click on one of the profiles right here. I cannot send messages to some accounts because this user is not following me. So it'll just say cannot send until this user follows you back. So in order to fix this problem, you can simply go to your profile, click on the three lines in the top right, and go to settings and privacy. You can then scroll down and find free up space underneath cache and cellular. And then from here, you can then clear your cache or clear downloads, and this will help maybe the app run a little bit smoother and maybe give you the option to have direct messages start to work. Another thing you can do is to back out of here, go to settings, back out of here. You then want to scroll down and find general, click on iPhone storage. You want to wait for it to load. Sometimes it can take a while for this to finally load. From here, you then want to search for TikTok. And then you want to offload the app. All this will do is free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data safe. You then would need to reinstall the app. You could then refresh it to open it back up like this and see whether or not it is helping the direct messages. And finally, the last thing you can do is go back to TikTok. You can back out of here. You then can go up to notifications underneath content and display. As you can see, they're all turned off. So if you want to go ahead and turn these on and off, you want to open settings. Might take a second. And see notifications, go ahead and select that and make sure to turn it on. From here, you can back over to TikTok. You'll then have an option to turn them on and off. You then want to make sure that direct messages are on and not off. If they are off, that could be the reason why they're not showing on your TikTok account. But I hope one of these methods does help to fix your problem with direct messages on TikTok. If the video helped, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I could not do it without your help. If you have any video ideas, please make sure to leave it in the comments. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.